And Cargolux 43 X-ray heavy, mayday, 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 we have a wheel well fire.
Cargolux 43 X-ray heavy, roger, the intentions.
Climbing heading 210, maintaining 5,000, requesting to stay in the vicinity of the airport.
Fuel remaining and salts on board.
3 persons on board, and we have 124 tons on board.
124 pounds on board.
It's tons, 124 tons, Cargolux 43 X-ray heavy.
Cargolux 43 Extra Heavy, I understand you to burn some fuel. About how long do you think you'll need?
We need to dump approximately 70 tons, 70 tons. I'll come back with you with the updated time.
Cargolux 43 Extra Heavy, okay, thank you. Fly heading 200. When you have time, I need souls on board and fuel remaining.
Cargolux 43 X-ray heavy, we have 3 persons on board and fuel remaining for the time release 122 tons, and we are requesting climb 8,000 feet for the fuel dumping.
Cargolux 43 Extra Heavy, climb maintain 8,000. And Cargolux 43 Extra Heavy, when you are ready to return to Los Angeles, what runway are you going to need?
Just fire warning came up again, so we requesting radar vectors for an immediate return for runway 7 right, please.
Cargolux 43 Extra Heavy, roger, turn left, turn heading 310, vector runway 7 right.